Hi guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment, and if you're new here, welcome back to the family. So today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how my Christmas tree turned out. I was very excited about this Christmas tree, especially because I made it very personal and I made ornaments myself. So I'm just going to be showing you how it turned out. So let's just get right to the video. So the first thing you want to do is cut out shapes. So the first shape that I did cut out was a circle. I just got a cover of round, anything round, just so that I could get like a perfect circle and use that to trace around an old cardboard. I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box, so please be sure to check them out. After drawing out the shape, I then cut it out with a cutter. So the next shape I did cut out was a star shape, after which I then cut it out with a cutter too. So the next thing you're going to need for this next set of the project is glue and glitters, whatever different colors of glitters that you have. I have red, gold and silver, which is what I wanted to use for this project. I also got a perforator to perforate. What I did was to make a mixture of water and glue. This helps to thin out the glue a bit. I then painted that mixture on top of the different cartons and I started pouring glitters all over it. I did that for the gold, the red and the silver. Then for this next set, this was the set of the ornaments that I was going to make personal. I decided to include the names of everybody in my house in the ornaments. I also decided to include the names of my friends, and especially because during this season they would likely be spending Christmas alone due to different lockdown rules in their country. But nevertheless, I have them in mind and I wanted them to be sure of that, so I decided to include them in my Christmas tree ornaments. So I painted the cartons white first. I did a double coating of that. After I finished painting that and left it to dry, the next thing I did was to write out different names on the carton. I got this set of gel pen a long time ago and they came in handy. So I used the green to write the names and I used the red to write Merry Christmas at the back of the carton, so that it's like a double face ornament. For another set of the Christmas tree ornaments, I also got some foam glitter, which I then cut out into the shape of a Christmas tree. After all of the ornaments were done, I then got a gold rope and I used it to tie up all the ornaments. Also, I ran out of gold rope, so another thing I used was yarn, or this red thread, this green yarn and this red thread, just to keep up with the vibe. And here, this is how our ornament turned out. I really loved how it turned out, like so pretty and shiny. And this is the final look, guys, of our tree. Absolutely love the look. Guys, tell me in the comment section what you think. Is this something you would like to try out? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.